Have you ever wondered how to truly diversify your retirement savings? With so many options out there, how do you know which gold IRA provider is the best fit for you? Here at Wire Daily, we take the guesswork out of investing in precious metals. Our in-depth reviews, side-by-side comparison, and expert guides are designed to help you make confident, informed decisions about securing your financial future. To get started, check the description and pinned comment for your free Gold IRA guide, a valuable resource filled with insights to help you navigate your options. Now, let's dive into today's topic and explore the best ways to invest your gold for your retirement.
When planning for retirement, diversification is the only key. Our Monix IRA offers opportunity to secure your future with the physical precious metal like gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. In this video, we will explore how a Monix IRA works, its benefit, pricing, and what makes us a smart choice for the investors. A Monix IRA is a self-directed individual retirement account that allows investors to hold tangible assets rather than traditional paper investment with the decades of experience. Monix is a trusted leader in this precious metal industry, offering investors an expeditional way to purchase and store physical metal with their IRA. Monix provides a comprehensive selection of investment options within the self-directed IRA, gold and silver IARS, secured retirement with IRS-approved precious metal, direct precious metal purchases by gold, silver, platinum, and palladium for their personal investment, educational resources, gain expert knowledge how their precious metal can strengthen your portfolio. Secure storage options choose between segregated and combined storage in the top layer IRS approved disparities. Monix offer a variety of high quality investment grade metal that meet IRS fitness standard. Gold 999 fine including American gold angus and Canadian gold maple leaves. Silver 999 such as American silver angels and Australian silver kangaroos, platinum and palladium. 995 fine including with American platinum and Angelus of a palladium bites. Monix assure that all metal purchased for IRS meet the highest industry standard and IRS regulations. Why should investors consider a Monix IRA? Precious metal provide a financial security with beyond stocks and bonds. Inflammation protection. Metals help preserve purchasing power over time. The security. Gold and silver have a consistency maintained value of a generations. Physical ownership. Unlike stocks, metal and tangible assets that offer a peace of mind. Setting up a Monix IRA is a simple and efficient. Choose a custodian Monix partner with a top tier conducive to a managed self-directed IRS. Fund the account. Transfer or a roll over funds from the existing retirement account. Work with the Monix to choose IRS approved precious metal that best for the fit your strategy. Secure storage your metal and safely stored within IRS approved depository. Monitor and grow. Track your investment progress and watch your portfolio full flourish. Understanding the cost of a Monix IRA help investor plan efficiently and confidently. Custodian fees typically range from $100 to $300 per year. Storage fees cost vary depending on whether you are segregated or a combined storage. Shipping fees is a competitive rate, assured secure and efficient delivery. Monix assure transparent pricing with no hidden fees, making investing straightforward. What makes the Monix IPA stand out? By its selection of a high-quality IRS approved precious metal, decades of expertise in this precious metal industry, trusted storage situation with the reputable custodians, outstanding customer rating with investing praising Monix seamless process. Monix is a highly rated by thousands of satisfied customers. Trustpilot of 9.95 from their over 3,400 reviews highlighting expert guidance and smooth transaction. Google reviews, solid rating with many customers pricing Monix reliability. BBB, a rating of excellent business practice and customer satisfaction. Monix is a fully compliant with IRS's regulations, assuring a secure investment environment. IRS-approved metal or precious metal mean the highest purity standard. Secure storage, assets like a protected and trusted IRS-approved facilities. regulatory adherence. Monix operate and their complete transparency with their professionalism. Like all retirement account, a Monix IRA provide a significant tax benefit. Tax deferred growth, traditional Monix IRA allows a tax-free compounding until withdrawal. With IRA benefits, contribution are taxes upfront with the withdrawals and tax-free in their retirement. Easy withdrawal investor can opt for the kind distribution receiving physical metals directly. A Monix Precious Metal IRA is an excellent option for securing and growing your wealth. If you want a long-term financial security, a Monix IRA is a provision choice. Monix offers trusted storage, expert guidelines, and competitive pricing for investors. Consider your investment goals and future financial freedom when choosing to a Monix IRA. Do you want to learn more? Visit Monix today to request a free gold IRA kit and start building stronger financial future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment for more expert insight on investing to a precious metal.